If you know there are deer coming to your area, move quickly.
I'd prefer to jump on them while they're in small numbers and try and keep on top of them before you really see massive production losses.
I would recommend to anyone to really keep an eye on your property. If you see 2 or 3 deer, you've probably got 30 or 40.
Feral deer are becoming one of Australia's worst pest animals. Farmers just outside the northern rivers who have already suffered because of feral deer urge us to act now, before it's too late. The Northern Rivers is on Feral Deer Alert. You can help by reporting any feral deer that you see. It's not surprising that many people enjoy seeing deer when they first appear in our landscapes, but feral deer can breed quickly and develop large herds with even larger appetites. The damage they cause is significant and widespread. On farms, feral deer devour pastures meant for livestock, destroy crops and damage fencing and spread disease. They trample native bushlands, spread invasive weeds and disrupt forest ecology to the point of collapse. And on our country roads, the last thing you want to meet is a feral deer. A red deer can grow to 3 times the size of a kangaroo. But if we act quickly, we can prevent feral deer from getting out of control in the Northern Rivers. We have a chance to remove them humanely while their numbers are still small.
I'd just like all landholders who are seeing a few deer now, not to think that, oh, they're pretty, I don't mind having a few deer on my farm, because it's only a few years from that until the problem that we've got up here.
We need the whole community to help. When you're driving, bushwalking, or on your property, please stay on Feral Deer Alert. Report all feral deer sightings as soon as possible. To find out how, head to feraldeeralert.com.au.